Hey guys, Tully here, JOH Engineering at Bundamba. We keep getting asked what we do here. So people are turning up all the time with tail shafts and engine stuff and they don't know we do one or the other. So I thought today we'll take you for a quick walk through the workshop and show what we do. Head inside here, we'll see the girls. This is where we come in. You'll see my wife Amy behind the one desk and Megan who runs our parts here. These are the lovely ladies taking your phone calls, emails, returning them. Yeah, we do get busy here, so it won't be a 2-second job. Right, we'll head out in the workshop, have a look. So first thing you'll see is a rope with do not enter. Please respect this. There's obviously a whole lot of machinery out the back and people moving. It gets busy through the day. We don't want any customers getting hurt, so righto. Right out here we've got our mechanical side. So not only do we do high performance, old school, new school, general servicing, maintenance, repairs. Alright, follow me, we'll head inside. So see around the corner here we've got a tail shaft rack. I think we're well known for tail shafts at the moment. Everything from steel, chromoly, aluminium, carbon fibre, single piece. We do the occasional 2-piece. Righto, following through here. We've got a lathe, so manual lathe. Obviously we can do everything on this. Right around the corner, nitrous refills. We've got a little nitrous station set up here. And then looking past that to the tail shaft area. So all our tail shafts get assembled, in-house, balanced, painted. We don't only just build tail shafts, we do servicing as well. Changing unis, balancing, straightening, rectifying problems. We get plenty of tail shafts in that people just want checked. We set it up and that's Bo. He's our workshop watchdog. You will see him from time to time. He's pretty vicious. Alright, behind me here we've got a brand new crank balancer. I got it out of the States. It's, I would class it one of the best in the world, if not the best. Randy over there at CWT makes a fantastic product. He's always on the phone if we need any help or assistance. Yeah. So now we're getting into the sort of the engine building side, machining. Right behind the balancer, you'll see a room. We put this in when we took over the business, give the customers a bit more satisfaction in what we do. So you'll see plenty going on in here. It's air conditioned, it's dust controlled. The boys love it. This is Derek. Derek's been here for 35 years and still going. So there's plenty of knowledge we can suck out of him. Yeah, as you can see, this is where we build our carbon fibre shafts as well. So that everything's temperature controlled. Over in the corner we've got our own cam doctor, digital spring tester. So any camshaft we install, we read first and that way we can time it. We do every engine. It's not just our lessons, we do a heap of them, but as you can see there's a big block Chev, a small block Ford, a Cleveland, small block Chev and an LS. Alright, so that's the engine room. We'll head out here into the workshop, see the other boys. So straight away we've got our own line home for doing main tunnels. Every mandrel to do SRs, RBs, right up to your big block Fords, big block heavies. Everything to resize conrods, tap dress. Behind you here we've got Liam. Liam runs our head section here. Hello. Yeah, so over here we've got the surfacer. So we take every head, block, manifold out of the reborer, out of the mill, whatever we're doing with them, and we face it in here. We use CB and PCD cutters rather than grind. Gives us that RA finish we need for hermetic head gaskets. Alright, so cylinder hone, TV616. Every ring manufacturer requires a different finish in the bore, as well as fuel types. So petrol, diesel, E85, methanol. Alright, moving through. You'll see here it's our head section. So we've got plenty of cylinder heads on the go at the moment. We don't only just build heads, we repair them, service them, supply new heads. We service all the dealerships in town, as well as most of the mechanic shops. So any sort of cylinder head repairs. If we can't do it and we can't fix it, we will source a new one. Over this side we got pressure test bench, shim grinder, seat cutter, 33. This is all the 3 and 5 angle valve jobs happen on here. All tungsten pilots, so everything's above board. Coming through this way, now this is where the customers don't normally get to see. This is obviously the messy area in the workshop. This is block prep, strip, tear down, measure, inspect, clean, dummy assemble, anything that happens prior to or after machining before going into the engine room for assembly. Turn around back, the cleaning wash bay, so hot wash, acid tank. We dip all our own blocks in-house. Around the corner here we've got a large ultrasonic cleaner, so the aluminium blocks, aluminium heads, anything that can't go in the acid goes in the ultrasonic, and even then for a good finish on most blocks we'll put them in the ultrasonic at the end. Right, heading out this way. This area here is under construction at the moment. We've just gone into a new venture, have started D&C Industries. There'll be a 4-axis CNC mill inside here, we'll show you in a second. But yeah, this area is fairly messy, we're still just moving and shuffling around. Out here we've got a 4-post hoist. All our tail shafts that we do in-house are all measured on a 4-post. Measuring on a 2-post obviously will change the measurements slightly, so we do everything on a 4. As you can see, it's not only new school, but it's beautiful VL Calais, HT Monaro. The VL was just in for a service and checkup. The HT, it's had a spun cam bearing, so now it's engine out. We just tear it down, clean it, put it all back together and get it back in there. So we do the whole lot, pull the engine out, rebuild it, put it back in. Obviously, as you can see, we don't have a great deal of storage on site, so we will tow the vehicle back to the customer's house to store it. That ensures that there's no damage. Alright, and then behind us in here, so this is where all the new magic happens. We've got a VF2 4-axis CNC machine. It's just warming up at the moment. The boys will be here making some cool parts shortly. So as you can see here, we're doing all the diff mount brackets. They're all designed, printed, machined in-house. So they're a bit different to the other ones on the market. We like aesthetics as well as obviously the operation. We've got an in-house designer, programmer, machinist. So yeah, basically he can 3D print, move stuff around, make it what he needs. We've got some LS clear view brackets, so everything we do in-house here that when we're building an engine and we need something we can see, we're not afraid to design it, make it, and get it on the market. Alright, so way back out here away from the machine. So that's pretty much it. Again, we do everything. If we don't do it, we can point you in the right direction on who does do it. It's not just tail shafts, that's only the sort of the side bit of the business. Engine building, machining, CNCing, we've got plenty going on at the moment, so give us a ring.